Hi, I'm making a Nidhogg map editor using Godot, Part 1. The problem with Nidhogg 2 is the game doesn't have a map editor, even external, so I'm gonna try to make my own. At first, I want to open the map inside Godot. If you don't know, inside a Nidhogg folder there is Maps folder that contains every object from map. One line has the name, X position, Y position, and the rest of it is unknown, so I'm gonna need to figure it out. Before making the Godot project, I ripped all the assets from the Nidhogg. Then, I made the simplest parser, then took every line of the map txt file and printed it in console. What I want to do is, I take every line from the map, find the sprite from the game, and place that sprite in the right position. After making a parser for all the lines, I need to find the sprite from game files. And this is the tough one. The problem is the game has more than 1700 sprites. And if I want to find in from txt file, I need to have the exact or at least similar names, or I just can't find it. And I'm not gonna rename every sprite by my hand, and even an AI will tell me to frick off with this amount of work. At first, I've tried finding the names of sprite by built-in functions like contains, find, and in operator, but this is not what I want. So in the end, I ended up implementing Levenshtein distance algorithm that can tell me the difference between two strings. And after finding the sprite, making a sprite object in Godot, loading a texture and positioning in the right spot, we are done making the easiest part. Look, this is the map objects. And it only took me 17 seconds to load 10 object of the map that has 347 object in total. Right now my code is slow, ineffective. But I already know how to upgrade and speed up my code to make it work. And if you know, or you want to support me in making the map editor for Nidhogg 2, comment this video. Bye.